For the past few years, the content creator camera market has been locked in a fierce battle dominated by only a handful of giant brands. Sony built a near-untouchable reputation with creator-focused cameras. Canon maintained a loyal fanbase with polished image quality and ease of use, while Fujifilm carved out a niche for filmmakers and photographers craving cinematic color science. But something big may be about to disrupt the balance of power. Fresh leaks and insider reports are sending serious waves through the camera industry, all pointing toward one potentially game-changing release: the highly anticipated Nikon Z30 Mark II. And if the rumors turn out to be true, this camera could become one of the most disruptive creator-focused devices Nikon has ever released. Whether you are a content creator, travel vlogger, filmmaker, live streamer, or simply someone planning to upgrade your camera setup, this is something worth paying attention to. Nikon is no longer trying to catch up. Instead, it appears ready to go straight for the crown with features that could completely redefine expectations at this price range. Welcome back to the future of creator technology. The Nikon Z30 Mark II is shaping up to be much more than a routine refresh. According to leaks circulating from trusted industry insiders, Nikon may be preparing something radically different from what people expected. We are talking about major sensor upgrades, vastly improved video capabilities, advanced autofocus systems powered by artificial intelligence, and perhaps most exciting of all, the integration of professional filmmaking technology thanks to Nikon's groundbreaking acquisition of Red Cinema. That acquisition alone has sparked massive speculation, because Red cameras are legendary in Hollywood for producing blockbuster-level visuals. The possibility of even a tiny fraction of that cinematic DNA appearing inside a compact creator camera has people genuinely excited. But before we get ahead of ourselves, there is one important question to answer. Why exactly does the Z30 Mark II matter so much? To understand the excitement, we need to revisit the original Nikon Z30. Released back in mid-2022, the Z30 entered the market as Nikon's answer to the booming creator economy. It was a compact APS-C mirrorless camera built specifically for vloggers and hybrid shooters. It skipped the viewfinder, focused heavily on video, and delivered impressive performance in a lightweight, travel-friendly package. For many beginner creators, it became an easy recommendation. However, time moves brutally fast in the world of technology. 4 years is practically ancient history in camera development. Since the Z30 debuted, competitors have not slowed down. Sony doubled down with improved creator-focused models, Canon refined its APS-C offerings, and even smartphones became significantly better at video production. Content itself also changed. Modern creators are no longer just filming long-form YouTube content. They are producing TikToks, Instagram Reels, cinematic shorts, podcasts, live streams, and vertical videos all at once. Cameras today need to adapt to every format seamlessly. This shift has created enormous pressure on camera manufacturers to evolve quickly. Creators demand more power, faster processing, better stabilization, stronger low-light performance, and above all, reliable autofocus that never loses track of the subject. At the same time, economic realities have changed buying habits. Full-frame cameras, while powerful, have become increasingly difficult to justify for solo creators or small businesses dealing with rising costs. Heavy bodies and expensive lenses are no longer practical for everyone. That is why APS-C cameras are experiencing a massive resurgence. People want something compact, lightweight, affordable, and capable of professional-looking results. Nikon understands this trend, and according to leaks, the Z30 Mark II could be designed specifically to dominate this rapidly growing space. At the center of every camera lies the sensor, and this is where things start getting very interesting. For years, Nikon relied on its proven 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor. It appeared across multiple cameras and earned praise for excellent low-light performance, sharp image quality, and beautiful colors. But by 2026 standards, 20.9 megapixels is beginning to feel outdated. Competitors moved ahead with sharper sensors, giving creators more room for cropping, reframing, and future-proofing content. Reports now suggest Nikon is finally preparing to retire that aging sensor platform in favor of a completely redesigned option. Conservative leaks suggest a highly refined 24 or 26 megapixel sensor optimized for fast readout speeds, dramatically reducing rolling shutter distortion during video recording. That means smoother footage, cleaner movement, and far less of the dreaded jello effect creators hate during handheld shooting or fast camera pans. Even more exciting are whispers that Nikon could be testing an unusually high-performance sensor capable of oversampled 4K footage with stunning detail and cinematic sharpness. If that happens, the Z30 Mark II could become an absolute powerhouse for modern creators demanding premium image quality without stepping into expensive cinema territory. Add in rumored open-gate recording, 10-bit internal color, smarter autofocus, and potentially in-body image stabilization, and suddenly this compact camera starts looking like an incredibly serious threat to the competition. If Nikon manages to execute all of this at the right price, the Nikon Z30 Mark II might not just compete in the creator market. It could completely redefine it. vidIQ.